Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a baling day. Excited for this one. Been waiting all year for this. Excuse my panting, just ran all out the field as we did our test run down there. So the 476 has rowed us up, just 3 rows for now. We're having baler issues. So down this strip here, as you'll see, all gone, thrown back into the middle while we try to get the baler issues resolved, which we now have. So let's show you a bale quickly, guys. So here is one of the bales. Now last year we had a tiny bit of inconsistency. I think a lot of it was down to the baler, but we found a 68 baler right in the field and it had some lovely parts on it. Oh look, there you go, it's thrown one dodgy one. That's what it was doing, little small ones, but it's only thrown us one so far in this strip round, which is good. Let's show you guys round in the bale chamber here, where the tines are picking up the grass off the field. They feed it into the bale chamber, pushes through and out into the chute. Are you ready for this, guys? The hay sniff. Oh, so sweet. It's just got such a smell to it. Hey, I don't know what it is. So fresh and juicy. So what do you reckon on this so far? Obviously I think we're pretty happy now. We had a bit of a panic last night, so we went for a test run last night at about, oh, I don't know, 8-9 o'clock. Was there till close to 10:30 before we got the issues resolved. Was just hoping that when we got up this morning we were going to come out and have a good run here, and I think we are. So bale length again, so this one is slightly on the shorter side, but she's still quite a good size and she's very compact. Look at the compacting of that, very compact. So last year our hay was a slight bit yellow, maybe just a tad over bleached, just slightly, very slightly, but it was still really good hay and we sold it all. So this year we don't want any green in it. Well, you say that, you don't, minimal green, like very minimal green, because if you have green, oh look, there's another little baby one, we can accept the odd one. Obviously if you have a lot of green, increases the moisture content, and when it's in the barn you're gonna have a fire, so don't want much green in it. Well, these are quite thick rows. So because these rows are a little bit thicker, Dad is taking a bit more time on them just to make sure that it feeds evenly and that he doesn't overfeed the chamber. Last year when they were so big, it would literally block the chamber. You had to stop, pick the bales out and go again. So it's just that timing. So we've had a couple of small ones. Oh, well, they're fine. Few teething issues this year with the baler. It keeps throwing the odd small bale. So we've only got 3 or 4 rows done, like rowed up and ready for baling, while we keep experimenting. Emptied the chamber a couple of times, changed the twine back through the feed, a few other things. So what I'm doing at the minute while Dad's messing around again is we've got some hay off the field anyway. So I've got the David Brown with a trailer on the back end. I'm going to start loading some of these up. So here's my setup with the David Brown. I've got a small 3-ton trailer on the back end there. We will be using the Ford with a hay trailer at some point as well. Obviously, while waiting for these teething issues to be resolved, while Dad's over there messing around with the baler again, I'll just load up a few more of these bales, see how high we can go and get these off the field. Hi guys, so this is actually day number 2 of baling. Day number 1 you will see in a minute. Disaster day. That is what we're calling it, disaster day. Last year Dad changed a load of parts on the baler. We got them off another new Holland 68 out in the field. They all look good parts, nothing but problems, and we've done a good quarter of the field and we've seen about 50 good bales, and we constantly have to keep changing it. And look at the size of these. So one of the things that was changed was the metering arm, which he's changed back, and that has now given us a consistent size. However, we now need to get the actual size we need, so making adjustments now. But he's missing, what are you missing, a bolt or a nut? You're missing something, ain't you? He's missing a nut, so he's struggling. He's having to sort of bodge the adjuster, and
the adjuster ain't gonna go now.
The adjuster's not going now. Yeah, here we go. Yep, here we go. So we're not having much fun. I'll take you through to day 1 and then we'll jump into day 2 when we get things going. Just maybe, guys, just maybe we have some good news, okay? Now I will take you through that in a very second when I catch up with him, because the man himself is the exact reason why we've had this issue. So nearly there, 1 second. Right, so Dad being Dad, lots of grease, new parts, or as close to new as possible, and he changed the meter arm. Okay, now the meter arm, if you don't know, I will show you when he stops moving. It's the arm that goes up and down like this. And give me a second, let me see if I can catch up with him actually. Hold on. It's easier to show you guys. He's probably reversing to me, I do not care. Right, so here's the meter arm here. He changed that, yeah, from last year. And the new one we put on, which wasn't new, but obviously robbed off another baler, it was obviously slipping. I saw it was moving 3 times like this, and then so I was like, wow. Obviously it was doing it far too early, so it was getting inconsistency. Now, however, we put the old one on and it's working. So with this arm, Dad has welded a bolt and nut on. He's had to weld a bolt and nut on because he's lost something on there, and he's also put a hole through it to adjust it. I can't quite explain it right now. And there is the sort of bale we got, so roughly 37, 38, is that inches? Is that in inches?
No, that one's not, that's 35.
35 inches, yeah? But the average is hopefully about 37. So I've had the drone up all of about 2 seconds, far too windy up there, so I can't get the drone up, so a lot of it's going to be camera footage down here, but thankfully now we are getting the bale that we wanted. So a nice size bale. The average is looking about 36. We just had a check, measured about 5 or 6 of them, so 36 inches ain't too bad. And yeah, at least we're now baling finally after yesterday's disappointment. So we've got the David Brown with the trailer on. We'll be using that at some point. I may do that in a separate video, I really don't know yet. But the main focus now is getting these bales out on the ground and hopefully start selling some off the field. Yeah. It's a good sized bale. It's a good sized bale. Yeah, it's a banging bale. That's banging. No, that's good. That one ain't too small. No, that's fine. You're all good. Can you feel and hear that wind, guys? That's the only reason the drone is not up. I'm so disappointed. But I've had all these windows of opportunity to get the drone out today and even yesterday. No wind. As soon as we get the baler going, wind everywhere. So if you've noticed, there is a few bales now disappeared off the field. That is because the past, I don't know, hour or two, I've had the David Brown, and obviously I can't record while I'm in David Brown. I could have got someone else to record me, but there's no point. You're not missing much. So I've had to load up on the hay trailer, and I've had to literally reverse on the field, round the side of the yard, round the back, and then round by the polytunnel. It is a nightmare. I'll give you a quick peek through there in a minute when we get onto it. Absolutely difficult, especially for someone that's not exactly, you know, I'm not doing tractors every day, and I haven't driven it actually for about 2 months. So to get that reversing going, I was pretty happy. So on the meter arm, Dad has welded a nut to the, that's the adjuster bar there, isn't it? That's the adjuster. He's welded that to the adjuster. But you can still adjust this, yeah? What? We can still adjust the bow length.
Yeah, because it's now holding.
So it's holding in place, but we can.
Holding because the thread had gone.
So the thread had gone, right? I see. So we can still adjust. Right, that's fine.
The thread had gone, so I welded a nut to it. So fine.
And with the last time, we reckon it was slipping.
Hey? Oh yeah.
Yeah, the last time was slipping.
It was because the thread had gone.
So last night we was out really late with the David Brown. We got quite a few bales off the field now. I think we've done about 4 hay trailer loads into the barn and stacked. Ford's got the hay bob on ready, because guess what? The baler's ready on the Renault. We've even got the Leyland out with a trailer on as well. The really funny trailer. And I'll tell you what's going on, guys. So basically we've cut the top of the top, and the Renault will be going out there now to bale the top of the top. Then we'll be going out tomorrow to mow the bottom of the top, and I'll be getting videos on all of this as well. And then we'll also be doing the middle the next couple of weeks, maybe, I'm not sure, because it's not quite ready yet. So lots of videos coming out now. Hope you enjoyed the baling video. I'm going to get some footage today of the baling on the top, and hopefully we have another repeat cycle, so you'll have a mowing video, maybe a turning video, not sure on that one yet, and then you'll have another baling video, and we'll try and repeat that also again with the middle. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. New to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, notifications of our journey if you want to see all these videos going on. So much happening right now, it's so enjoyable, and it's actually really nice, guys, to see the old Leyland out with a trailer on the back end. She's a bit of a state. I've got all new panels, I've got doors, I've got stuff. We've got an arc welder now, so we can weld the roof on and do everything to it. It's just all time, guys, it's all time. But she is the best engine we've got. I believe it or not, the engine in that is sweet as a nut. We've got the Renault 4-wheel drive hiding in a building that has got all the hydraulics isn't working, and the oil is out of that at the minute. Needed to get the rear end working. So yeah, right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in our next video. Take care. Video that features after. So if you are new to the channel, guys, please subscribe button, ring the little fly, your mother fly, straight out the mouth. Right, so ring the little bell notifications. Oh, we're gonna stall. We stalled. Oh wow, I blame the flies. Give me a minute, guys. Oh buddy, how have we stalled? Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe button, ring the little bell. And whoa, what's that noise? And I will see you in our next video, guys. Take care.